Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can earn candy in Dress to Impress to open items that use the candy. So if you go to clothing here, you'll see that some of them you do need candy for it. There's a few here: Jesters, Sweet Screams. You can either do the apple bobbing. What is it called? I don't know. Like, you can bob for apples, or you can go trick-or-treating as well. If you get treats, sometimes you can get candy, as you can see here. So do that. And then if you're not on free play mode, you can also obviously get candy. Okay, I got tricked there. You can also get candy by doing the daily tasks. You'll get 40 candy per day. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. You can also get some candies from Batty Pass, like here. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.